One of my club members found a rock on the Fraser River and they want to know what's inside it. Let's cut one open and show them what it looks like. So one of the members of the Vernon Lapidary Club posted onto Facebook a rock that looked just like this and said, I wonder what it looks like inside. Well, I happen to have one that I collected from the Fraser River of the same type of mineral, and I have the saws here, so I'm going to throw this rock onto the saws, cut it, and see what the inside looks like. Now looking close up on this rock, it definitely has, the white bits and the green bits. The white bits are harder than the green bits, and that's why it's weathered high like this, with the green down in below. I have a feeling this green is only weathered green. It's oxidized green, and when we start to cut through this thing, that we're gonna find that it's white throughout. If we're lucky, we have a neat pattern, but I have a feeling it might just be a boring white inside. Let's try. I will be using my 16-inch Highland Park saw for this cut. And I've decided I'm going to be making two cuts on this. I'm going to cut once along this bottom edge, and then the remaining piece I'm going to cut in half. So I'll end up with three pieces, two that could be like bookends, one that maybe if I put a flat on the bottom, I can make a little tower out of or something like that. But we're going to get some nice pieces out of this. And there we go, we're all set up. We're going to cut right through there. It was a little too tall to do up on edge, so I had to lay it down. It's going to go perfect. You gotta check out the piece of penolite that just came off this saw. Wow. That's awesome. Anyhow, I digress. Oh, it does have a pattern inside. Nice. So I've decided to cut a piece right out of the middle here, so I have two bookends and one standy-uppy piece out of the middle. Standy-uppy, technical term. And then I'll take these upstairs, wash them up, and show you what they look like. They're all washed up. Here we go with the big reveal. Yeah, baby. Nice. Now, someone did suggest this could be a version of variolite, but I don't think it is, because variolite would have round pieces inside, where these pieces are very angular and crystalline. I think this is more likely a brecciated feldspar, if anything. But that's just a guess. And here are all the pieces I cut from that one rock. Those two are bookends. Nice big slab that stands up on its own. What a beautiful stone this is. And of course, if anyone wants this stone, I will be putting it up for auction on my website, www.danhurdprospecting.com.